Greetings, everyone. I am Avinash Sharma, and this is another walkthrough video on another CTF. This is called the Techvanto CTF, and it was held by Techvanto Academy as a follow-up event of an 8-day-long workshop on cybersecurity. This workshop was for everyone, beginners as well as professionals. It helped me revise cybersec concepts, and I also got to learn that side of cybersecurity that I was avoiding for a while, forensics. I ended up being at first place in the CTF with 140 points, though there was another person who earned 140 points, but since I solved them within an hour faster than this person, I was first. This CTF was only a 2-hour event, and it also was the first CTF that I competed in from my university's side. I think that the website for CTF was hosted for just 3-4 hours, because as soon as the CTF ended, the given URL for the CTF was not responding when I tried to refresh the page. But still I got the chance to save the questions. Since this was kind of a mini CTF, thus it came with less categories, but fundamental ones that focused toward basic cryptography, digital forensics, and basic Linux. The 3 categories were namely, 1. Linux, 2. Crypto, and 3. Forensics. I will be solving all these problems in the following videos.